In this video, you will learn how to set up Advanced Extra Fees plugin for WooCommerce. Ensure that the Advanced Extra Fees for WooCommerce Premium plugin is activated on your site. Let's begin. After activating the plugin, go to the WooCommerce Settings, Advanced Extra Fees tab. By navigating to the Manage Fees section, you are able to see the option to add the new fee with list. Now, clicking on the Add Fee button to add new fee from here. I have already created an extra fee, so let's edit it to review the settings. First, add the fee title here. Next, select the fee type and add price like $21. Fee type you can select such as fixed, percentage, or fee plus percentage. Now scroll down to the bottom section to decide if the fee is applied per additional quantity or not. Based on your requirements, you can select this configuration settings. Next, go to the conditional fee rules. Here, I've added rules such as the country being the United States and the payment gateway being check payment. You can customize this based on your requirements and add multiple rules from the drop-down menu. You can see the multiple rules here in this drop-down. After selecting more than one rule, make sure to specify whether the fee applies when any or all rules match from this drop-down based on needs. Once your settings are configured, click Update or Publish to save the changes. Now, let's see how it works on the front end. I'm going to the shop page, and let's select any product from here. I am adding this product to the cart by selecting product variations from here. Let's add the product to the cart by click here this button. Now click here to go to the cart page. You'll notice the processing fee is applied here. Let's now proceed to checkout to click here. On the checkout page, scroll down at bottom. The processing fee is displayed below because we have selected the check payment option. However, if I change the payment method to bank transfer, the processing fee is removed. Only when the check payment option is selected does the processing fee apply as per the payment rules. Now, let's proceed to place an order by click Place Order button here. Once the order is placed, you'll see that the processing fee charged here with a $21 amount. This is how you can configure extra fees. Thank you for watching.